Interesting.
But I don't.
Is that a ghost? I think that's a ghost. A bald ghost?
The bald ghost.
Disneyland. Dang, what are you hiding in there? It's a 10-incher. I see it swinging. No trains coming today. Oh, I hear a train.
Good.
You good. Disneyland again, but with music.
But I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know I can burn me down, but I don't care about it.
So this camera takes so long to turn on and start recording. It's not like today's technology, I'll tell you that. After you, man.
Thank you.
And we got leftovers from not us. We got our leftovers. That butter.
Not our butter. Anything in the freezer?
I don't know. Look. Ice.
Ooh.
That's actually.
Could have left it out to draft me to drink this morning. Big meaty glass.
'Cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels.
No overnight activity. What does that mean?
I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, anywhere, as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but
Wait, you gotta dip it. Go ahead. Oh, I'm in the ketchup, but.
Oh, hold on. Ready?
Yep. Get a good dip.
Good?
A little more. Little more. Perfect.
but I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know I can burn me down, but I don't care about it.
Hey, raccoon. How you doing? You see you got plenty of corn there to eat.
I see one bridge. I never thought I'd live to miss that gold.
That gold dust.
Looks like it's time to call it a night.
I've always